Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this little project for like if you're bored or you want to give this to any family friends or anybody. So let's get started.
So what you'll be needing is a paper like pink that's very light. As you can see, it's this color.
We need this dark purple. I'm going to be using this blue. This is like in the middle of light and dark. And I'm going to be using this yellow, which is like a sunflower yellow. And I'll also be using some scissors, and I'm going to be using this the spinning tool, and I'll be using this glue stick. Or you can use the other glue, just like the liquidy glue. I also forgot. I'll be using this green. It's messed up. So I'm going to be using this like a pine tree green. You'll also be needing this. Okay, so first I have this like plain sheet of paper. I'm just gonna fold like how big I want it. So I want mine to be this big. So now I moved on to this glue. So first we're gonna get this tool, and we're gonna start off with our small flower. So my small flower, I'm making it this color and this color. So let's just go ahead and open these up. And I really like the combination of these two colors. So first I'm going to be taking one of these off. So now we have one string of pink, and we're just going to go ahead and roll it up. There we have it. So we got this small piece, and we're going to take the spin round tool, I guess, and I'm using this one. I don't know how like big it is, but like you can make it how big you want. So this is the circle I've got. So for now I'm going to take it and I'm going to just glue it on. Just going to hold it for like 5 seconds, and then it should stick like this, and then we're just going to pinch it at the top like this, and it should look like a droplet. And we're going to make 3 per petals, and we're going to have 5 petals. So 3 times 5 is 15. So we're going to be making 15 of these. So I just went ahead and did 3. I'm going to do the rest. So I'm going to be taking this yellow, and we're going to be wrapping this into a petal. So first, basically, we're going to have these 3 stuck together like this. And then I'm going to just go ahead and like wrap it, and yeah. So first, before we do that, we're going to glue this. We're just going to glue it on the side. And here are the 3. You're just going to hold them for like 10 seconds so that they stick together. Okay, I think they're dry. So now we're going to take this yellow string, and we're going to stick it. So basically, if I want to start from here, I'm just going to add glue there. I'm just going to stick this yellow quilling paper on there, and I'm just going to wait for some time so that it doesn't fly away. Yes, I think that should be enough. Maybe not. Yeah, I think it's stuck now. I hope so. So now you're going to just squeeze these together. Squeeze it however much you want. I'm going to just squeeze it like this much. And after you're done squeezing it, just make sure you're going to put glue here because it's the first round. So here's the petal. I didn't use the whole string because I have yellow left. So I just used half string, and this is how it turned out. So we'll just need 4 more of this. 3, 2, and go. So here are the petals I've made, and I'm gonna like kind of shape it into a flower, something like that, and we're gonna put it on this paper. And first I'm gonna make like slanted, only like the tips are touching the ground, but for that we'll need clay. So let's get it. So we got clay here. So I've already actually started putting it together. So with the clay here, basically the glue's there. So and then take some clay. So put your petal where you want it, and then after you put the petal where you want it, just put some clay underneath it so it stays like that, and then after some time this part dries, we can go ahead and put some glue from under. Ta-da! So this is a flower and the sunlight's on it so you can't see it. So here's a flower around. So I just put the clay around so that it stays. It does start falling apart, so you might have to be careful, and I put a lot of glue in the middle. So I've let this dry for like 20 minutes or something, and it's kind of starting to dry, but like it's not completely dry. Now let's move on to the next flower. Let's open this. So here it is. So first I'm gonna be putting the purple inside and the blue outside, so like wrapping it. So I'll show you how to do it. So I used one strip of string, and I am using the same circle, like the width of the circle. Yeah, there we go. So, and now this is kind of like a little tricky. So you're gonna take this and you're going to like first fold the sides. So we're just basically gonna make it touch it. So then it should look something like this. So it's a little that just flew away. Okay, got it back. So this is the flower, and so now we're gonna take a strip of blue. So now we have the blue. I think I got two. So now I'm going to cut it 1/4 of a strip, and this could be used for 4 flowers now. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to glue it on, and I'm going to just wrap it. This is how the petal looks like. Just make 9 more to make 2 flowers. So I have 10 petals here, so now I'm going to make them into 2 flowers. So as you can see here, I have the flower, and I took all the clay out. So now these are still delicate. So now I have the flowers. So my idea is to put these flowers around here. You can put it however you want. Something like this. It looks really pretty. And we're gonna add leaves around it. So if you wanna see how I made the leaves, make sure to check out our other video where we make leaves. I'm doing variety sizes depending on what type we need. So this is how it turned out. I just added a border. You can add any color border, and I added leaves. You can add how much you want. I've also just added some gems in the middle, so it kind of gives that pizzazz. And this is the final project, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.